What if you shared your kitchen with a living being? A quiet presence that needs care, and in return, changes the way you think about food. Koji has shaped the flavor of cultures for centuries. Now, it becomes a companion, helping us waste less and care more. Fermentation is one of the oldest forms of food transformation. It's a natural process where microbes, like bacteria or fungi, break down food components into simpler, often more flavorful and nutritious substances. Koji, a filamentous fungus, is a master of this art. It releases enzymes that unlock sugars, amino acids, and deep umami flavors. The result? Complex, aromatic pastes, sauces, or marinades, ingredients that can enrich broths, glaze vegetables, or add depth to any dish. Meet the Koji Companion, a living organism that transforms your food waste into something delicious. Like a pet, it depends on you. Like a kitchen tool, it helps you ferment, preserve, and rethink what is edible. It grows, reacts, and creates a relationship between you and your leftovers. Designed as a semi-organic glass capsule, the Koji Companion is both kitchen object and microbial cohabitant. The Koji Companion is a living fermentation object that thrives on your food scraps. It encourages experimentation, personal care, and sustainable behavior through daily interaction. It's designed to live in your kitchen, like a pet or a plant, and invites you to feed it with care. Cooked rice, steamed vegetables, old bread, or potato peels, as long as it's clean and plant-based, Koji will turn it into something new. But it's not a compost bin. Raw meat, fish, dairy, or spoiled foods can harm the living culture. It needs care, not contamination. Over time, it grows, changes, and releases flavor-rich compounds, the same way it's been making miso and soy sauce for centuries. Instead of going bad, food becomes something better, more flavorful, longer lasting, and full of life. Let's say you've got a couple of soft carrots in the fridge, maybe a bit of leftover rice from yesterday, and that last piece of ginger that's starting to dry out. Instead of tossing it, you can turn it into something completely new with Koji. You just mix it all with a bit of salt and put it in your Koji Companion. Let it ferment for a few days, and that's it. Check on it every day, maybe give it a little stir. Once it smells slightly sour and tastes deep and savory, it's ready. Pop it in the fridge and enjoy your carrot ginger spread on a bread, as a dip, or with roasted veggies. It's just one example of how Koji can help turn waste into flavor. And honestly, it's so satisfying to give your leftovers a second life.